Hey there! Welcome to our video where we tackle a common problem that many Flutter developers encounter when debugging for iOS. The issue at hand involves a pesky error message that pops up during the build process, causing frustration and confusion for users. The error states something about a non-modular header being included inside a framework module, making it difficult to proceed with the build. Fret not, as we have a solution ready to help you overcome this obstacle and get back to smooth sailing with your Flutter development. In order to resolve this problem, the key lies in a specific setting in Xcode that needs adjustment. The solution involves opening Xcode and locating the setting named Allow Non-modular Includes in Framework Modules. By setting this option to Yes, you can effectively address the issue and enable your app to be built and launched on the iOS simulator without further hindrance. It's a simple yet crucial step that can make a world of difference in your development workflow. To implement the solution, you'll need to navigate to the build settings of your project in Xcode. Look for the Allow Non-modular Includes in Framework Modules setting within the runner target and switch it to Yes. By following these steps, you'll be able to mitigate the error and ensure that your Flutter app functions smoothly on iOS devices. Remember, sometimes the smallest tweaks can lead to significant improvements in your development experience. In summary, don't let a minor error derail your Flutter development journey. With the right solution in hand, you can swiftly address the issue of non-modular headers in Xcode and resume building and testing your iOS apps with ease. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech challenges you'd like us to cover. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and happy coding!